रसोड़े में कौन था? कौन था?
संयम था।
ये संयम, ये करण।
अरे रसोड़े में मैं नहीं था।
Check 1, 2, ladies and gentlemen.
Jay, you are live in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hello everyone. Good morning. Namaskaram. Idli Sambram. डिश का फोटो लेना है, आप आराम से अपनी डिश बनाइए और फटाफट आप जब रेडी हो जाए तो हमें आपका इमेज दे दीजिए। लेट्स अनबॉक्स द मिस्ट्री बॉक्स। सभी लोग फटाफट अपना मिस्ट्री बॉक्स खोलिए। अच्छा, पुष्पा जी के लिए बहुत सारे वोट्स आ रहे हैं, सो आई थिंक पुष्पा जी अभी एकदम बिल्कुल सातवें आसमान पे होगी, बट आई थिंक आप जो भी बना रहे हो बहुत ही कमाल का बना रहे हो। शिल्पा जी के ब्राउनी एंड मैक्सिकन राइस। वाह 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 वाह। उन्होंने बनाया मैक्सिकन टैकोस पिज़्ज़ा बाय द बे। उन्होंने बनाया है बिल्कुल देसी बीफ चिकन्स एंड वी हैव द रिजल्ट। One crore points and congratulations to you! Yay! फन है, मजा है, वर्चुअली फन कर रहे हैं लेकिन फन तो है। Till the time, see you all, take care, goodbye!
With a wonderful invite which went out to all the guests, which was from the video that went viral, which is Rasode Mein Kaun Tha. The first Sunday we did an interesting Insta Live where we actually not just interacted with the finalists, we also showcased their dishes. I think that really got them to understand that it's going to be a tough and crazy one. So obviously the first thing you have to do is you got to really partner with the right partners in crime, so to say, who don't just understand technology. I think what's more important is that they need to be equally passionate about the creative visualization that you as a planner have. And I think we found our partners in Tag Labs, and together we've really been able to create something that's been phenomenal. I can very confidently say that this is probably the first in India as far as the social event space is concerned, that anything of this crazy, insane level has actually even been attempted. And we're excited. We've got so many more episodes to go. I'm going to try, guys, to keep it a little easier and simple, but I'm only going to try. I can't promise. That's a problem. So yeah.
That was a great one. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much.